Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a UBS Bank account. First, go to the UBS website on your computer or mobile device. Then click on Client Logins at the top right corner of the page. Here, choose the login option that applies to you, such as UBS Individuals, UBS eBanking UK, or UBS eBanking Switzerland. For example, if you select UBS eBanking UK, note that the platform, including the mobile app, may be unavailable during scheduled maintenance. Don't worry, you can still use your smartphone to log in once your account is set up. Click the help link for instructions to activate the UBS Access app, which allows you to securely log in to your smartphone. You can also download the UBS mobile banking app to view your account, documents, and contact your advisor. Next, enter your contact number on the login page and click Continue. Then, go to the Personal Account section and click on Open an Account. Enter your contract number again if required. You can also choose to open your account via the app. Here, select the type of account you want, such as a youth or student account, children's account, or a cross-border account. Once selecting, click on Open an Account now. Once you've chosen your account, download the UBS mobile banking app, UBS Prime. Next, select your UBS key for banking type, either Pure or Pro. After that, confirm your identity by having your ID card or passport ready. UBS will verify it through a video call or selfie. Then, activate the UBS Access app for a secure login. You can also scan the provided QR code to download the app quickly. Finally, log into your digital bank account securely using the Access app, and your UBS bank account will be ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.